The Fitbit Charge 6 is a sleek fitness tracker that monitors your heart rate in real time, tracks your daily steps, and provides comprehensive activity insights. To unlock its full potential, you need to pair the Charge 6 with the Fitbit app on your smartphone or tablet. This connection enables data synchronization, allowing you to track your activity progress, receive notifications, and analyze your fitness data in detail. To prepare for pairing your Charge 6, first download and install the Fitbit app. Open the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android. Tap the Download or Install button and wait for the app to install on your device. Once installed, open the Fitbit app. You'll need to create a Fitbit account if you don't have one. Tap to create a new account and enter your email address. Create a secure password for your account. Provide basic personal information such as your name, date of birth, and height. Review and agree to the terms and conditions to complete account setup. Open the Fitbit app to see your dashboard with activity data. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. In the menu that appears, select Set up a device. From the list of devices, choose the Fitbit Charge 6. If prompted, allow the Fitbit app to access your device's location. The Fitbit app begins searching for nearby devices to connect. Once your Charge 6 appears in the list, select it to initiate the connection request. A 4-digit code will appear on your Charge 6 screen. Take note of this code. You'll need it to complete the pairing. Back in the app, enter the exact 4-digit code from your Charge 6. Entering the correct code is essential for a successful connection. Make sure to enter the code exactly as shown on your device. Once your Fitbit Charge 6 is paired, the syncing process begins automatically, transferring your activity data to the app. Your device may require a firmware update to ensure optimal performance and access to the latest features. The update will show a progress bar in the Fitbit app as it downloads and installs the latest software. Once the update completes, you can adjust initial settings. Start by selecting your preferred wrist for wearing the device. Next, set your daily goals for steps and other activities to stay motivated and track your progress. Finally, configure your notification preferences to receive alerts for calls, messages, and app updates directly on your wrist. When pairing your Fitbit Charge 6, Bluetooth connectivity issues are common. First, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. If Bluetooth issues persist, restart your phone to refresh the connection. If your Fitbit Charge 6 isn't detected by the app, it may need a restart. For incorrect passcode entries or failed pairing, reset the Fitbit app to defaults. Now that your Fitbit Charge 6 is paired, you can manually sync it with the Fitbit app to ensure your data is up to date. Once synced, your Charge 6 begins tracking your activity, counting steps, and monitoring your daily movement. The device continuously monitors your heart rate, providing insights into your resting and active heart rates through the app. You'll receive notifications from your phone directly on your wrist, keeping you connected without needing to check your device constantly. The app also calculates your daily readiness score, helping you understand how recovered your body is for exercise. Enjoy exploring the full capabilities of your newly paired Fitbit Charge 6 as it helps you stay active and healthy.